Crochet home decor brings warmth into a space in a way that mass-produced decorations rarely can. Every crochet piece carries time, patience, and intention, and when these qualities enter a room, the atmosphere subtly changes. A home no longer feels like just a place to live. It becomes a reflection of care, creativity, and the quiet presence of human touch. Crochet home decor ideas are perfect for anyone who wants their rooms to feel calm, welcoming, and meaningful. These handmade creations do not demand attention or compete with the space around them. Instead, they gently soften rooms, fill empty areas with warmth, and add a sense of gentle beauty. Crochet blends naturally into everyday life, making rooms feel lived in and loved rather than styled only for display. One of the most beautiful aspects of crochet home decor is its versatility. Crochet can be used in every room of the home, adapting effortlessly to different moods and purposes. In living rooms, crochet decor creates a relaxed and cozy atmosphere. It encourages comfort, conversation, and moments of rest after long days. When placed thoughtfully, crochet helps balance open spaces and adds harmony without overwhelming the room or drawing focus away from daily life. Bedrooms especially benefit from crochet room decoration ideas. These spaces are meant for rest and renewal, and crochet naturally adds softness and calm. The gentle textures created by hand bring a sense of comfort that cannot be replicated by factory-made decor. Crochet pieces in a bedroom make the space feel personal and safe, transforming it into a peaceful retreat rather than just a functional place to sleep. In dining areas, crochet decor adds warmth and intimacy. Shared meals feel more meaningful when surrounded by handmade elements that reflect care and intention. Crochet reminds us to slow down, appreciate the present moment, and enjoy simple gatherings. It brings a sense of tradition and familiarity, making dining spaces feel welcoming and connected, even during quiet, everyday meals. Crochet also works wonderfully in smaller rooms and overlooked spaces. Thoughtfully placed crochet decor can make limited areas feel complete without feeling crowded. It adds character to corners, walls, and surfaces that might otherwise feel empty or forgotten. Crochet brings depth and personality, helping small rooms feel intentional and thoughtfully designed rather than unfinished. One of the greatest charms of crochet room decor is that it embraces imperfection. Small variations in stitches and textures make each piece unique. These subtle differences tell a story of hands at work and time invested. Rather than flaws, they become gentle reminders that crochet is made slowly and thoughtfully, not rushed or replicated by machines. This imperfection adds authenticity and soul to a space. Crochet decor also creates emotional connection within a home. Many crochet pieces are made during quiet moments, filled with focus, patience, and care. When placed in a room, they seem to carry that calm energy with them. Crochet becomes more than decoration. It becomes a symbol of creativity, dedication, and love woven into everyday life, quietly shaping the emotional tone of a home. Another beautiful quality of crochet home decor ideas is flexibility. Crochet pieces can be rearranged, layered, or combined with other decor elements to refresh a space without major changes. This allows rooms to evolve naturally over time while maintaining their warmth and character. Crochet adapts as a home grows, changes, and gathers new memories, always fitting comfortably into its surroundings. Lighting plays an important role in highlighting crochet decor. Soft, gentle lighting enhances the textures and depth of crochet, allowing its details to stand out in a subtle way. In the evening, light and shadow work together to create a cozy atmosphere where crochet truly shines. The soft glow emphasizes its handmade beauty and adds visual warmth to the room. Crochet room decoration ideas also align perfectly with mindful living. They encourage choosing meaning over trends and intention over excess. Instead of filling a space quickly, crochet decor invites thoughtful selection and careful placement. This results in rooms that feel balanced, calm, and emotionally satisfying, spaces that support well-being rather than overwhelm the senses. Ultimately, crochet home decor ideas are about more than beauty alone. They are about creating spaces that feel warm, authentic, and deeply human. Crochet adds soul to rooms, turning houses into homes. It reminds us that beauty does not need to be loud or perfect. It simply needs to be made with care, one stitch at a time.